In this video, we're going to be making slushies just in time for summer. You can find a list of ingredients needed in the description below. We're going to use two different methods. For the first one, you just need a can or a bottle of drink. Now we're going to shake the can or bottle until it's really, really fizzy. And finally, we're just going to pop it in the freezer. Hopefully you have some more space than I do. We're going to leave it in there for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try and open this very, very carefully, not letting it fizz all over the place. Carefully pour it into a cup. It should be mostly frozen, but not quite. This one didn't work out too well, but the general principle is the high pressure in the can makes it harder for it to freeze solid. It did, however, taste really, really good. Now we're going to try the same method we used last time in making ice cream. Pop your drink into a small Ziploc bag. Try to push out as much of the air as you can. This time I'm going to use a container to put the ice in. Pop your ice into a container, or you can use a larger Ziploc bag. Then we're going to pour some salt over the top of the ice. This time I'm going all out. I'm putting lots and lots of salt in it. Now throw the Ziploc bag of drink into the container. Now that our drink is inside the container, we're going to fill it up with more ice over the top. We're also going to put some more salt over the top of that ice. It's important to cover the ice in as much salt as you can. Now it's time to pop the lid on and give it a shake. This will take about 5 minutes. You can also check on the Slurpee inside the container. After several minutes of tedious shaking, it's time to open our shaker or bag and pull out our Slurpee. Careful not to make a mess. As you can see, the consistency is more in line with a Slurpee. With a bit of luck, you won't be as messy as I am. After a quick cleanup, it's time to taste our creation. This one was way better.